Hello lovely people, let's talk about spatula. This is chef and knife. Let's start this video with spatula, right? Before I start this video, right, how many people know what is this, right? Have you seen this in anywhere? And do you know why we use this thing in kitchen, right? Have you seen this, right? It looked like this when we using it, right? That's a new one, right? I will let you know why we use this at end of this video. So let's start with this video with spatula, right? I do have three kind of spatula, right? That's a straight one, right? It's been with me for many years, right? This company is called Professional, right? That's stainless steel, right? That's Tom Kane, right? And this is Victorinox spatula, right? And this is small from a company, can't remember his name. Bought this from Coles, right? For my plating or other materials, right? So if you're a home cook, right, what kind of spatula you need, you can use this kind of spatula, right? Or you can use this, but basically you can use this kind of spatula, right? It's a stick spatula, but you can use a spatula for making your cakes. And there are lots of things which you can use a spatula for. If you want to be a good baker, right, that's a good spatula for you. And for this you can use it for barbecuing and grilling your ingredients, right? Small, but yeah, it's a good one. Same with this is for baking material, right? You can bend it right this way, right? It's easy to use in kitchen area, right? It can be bent like this. See this? It can be bent like this, or you can use a spatula like this one, or a small one for the plating, right? Most of the time we use this kind of spatula for plating, right? It's a small spatula, but we use it for the plating and for putting small things on plate, right? But these two are the main spatula. If you're a home cook, this can be used for making your bakeries item and your grilling material, right? It's not sharp like hell. It's not sharp, right? You can see that blend, but good for using on cakes, making cakes and on grill. Yes, you can use this knife for the grilling also. But these are three spatula I use it, right? And if you want to use a good spatula, buy a single spatula. But I do have three kind of spatula with me. I do have a fish spatula and barbecue spatula, the big one, but that's a different spatulas. So I do have these kind of spatulas which I'm using right now. I keep using this for my I don't do bakery too much, but sometimes I can help the person who's working in field of bakery. But there are lots of things which you can use this spatula on daily basis for grilling and other areas. But there are lots of things which you can use for home, right? Because most of you love to do barbecue, right? And it's a good way to use this on a daily basis on bakery or grilling and doing your barbecue, right? And this is for good for plating. if you're putting some stuff, you can use this for plating, right? That's all. That's all for today, folks. This is Chef and Knife, and thank you for watching my channel. And yeah, before I go end this video, I ask you a question, right? Why we use this? We can use this for our soups, right? Put your ingredients in it, right? Like this way, right? And like this. Close it, and it becomes like this, right? And pour it in your stock and let it be boiled. So it's a good material for the soups and the stocks. I've got 2 of these. I never used it, but yeah, I'm using this one. See the color? That's a new one, and that's being used in lots of things. So it's not expensive, but yeah, it's good for teas, soups and stocks, for flavoring your water. It's a good material to use on daily basis, right? If you're a tea lover, you can use this. If you're a soup and stock lover, you can use this, right? It's a good strainer. Not a strainer, but you can use this. You can say strainer, but I prefer to say a kitchen helper, right? A kitchen gadget, you can say that. But it's a good gadget to use for the kitchen, right? So if you have any questions, if you need to ask anything, please write your comment. This is Chef and Knife. Thank you for watching my channel. Love you. Hope you have a good day, guys. This is Chef and Knife, and have a great day, guys. Thank you.